There is a new technology that has been discovered by scientists that can turn pollution into energy. Let's take it to the drones.
Hydrone, a multi-rotor drone with the help of photochemical cell that eventually helps in reaching our goal to reduce pollution on our Earth. In a way, with Hydrone we convert all the pollutants that surround us, which is a major enemy of Earth, into a cleaner energy, hydrogen gas. With this, pollution will no longer be one of our major problems, and hydrogen gas as our new renewable energy, a big yes. Hydrone indeed will improve our green energy industry and helps create a better environment.